Hi, welcome back to the Keytos YouTube channel. Today we're going to deploy EZSmartCard from the Azure portal. So first we go to the Azure portal and create a new resource called EZSmartCard. And here we would select our plan and we're going to click subscribe. We're going to either create a resource group or select one existing. And then here we're going to name our subscription. Then we're going to click review and subscribe. And then we're going to click subscribe. Once the Azure subscription is completed, now we're going to go to EZSmartCard and finish our authentication. And here you're going to set your subdomain, so whatever you want. And here we're just going to do keytos.ezsmartcard.io, and our deployment location, we're just going to leave it as East US. Now it's going to create the instance. This is going to take a while. It can take up to 20 minutes, so make sure you can go get some coffee and something. I'm going to stop the video. We're going to come back when it's done. And you can click the refresh button every few minutes to check the status. And now we can see that it's telling us that our instance is ready. And we're going to click here. And this is going to take us to sign up. And we're going to need our subscription ID. And then here we're going to set who are the admins for this instance. In this case, I'm just going to add myself. And we're going to click register. Once this is done, it's going to take a few seconds because we are registering that application with Azure. So it takes a few seconds to minutes to actually get it working. So once again, just let it sit for a little bit and then you're going to do a refresh and it's going to work. And now we're in the settings. And in the next video, we're going to cover how to actually set this up to get started. So that's how you create your own instance of EZSmartCard in the Azure portal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this tool as much as we do.